by St. Agnes fountain.
Gentlemen, bring me flesh.
Bring me flesh and bring me wine, Lord still. Thou and I will see him die when we bear them together. Page and monarch, forth they went together. Through the rude wind's wild lament and the bitter weather. Silent night is darker now, and the wind blows stronger. Fails my heart, I know not how, I can go no longer. Mark my footsteps, good my page, tread thou in them boldly. Thou shalt find the winter's rage, freeze thy bloodless glory. In his master's steps he trod, where the snow lay dinted. It was in the very song which the saints had printed. Therefore, Christian men, be sure,